That's right. All we get is blessings upon blessings upon blessings, you know. Like doing this kind of thing, taking, out of school children off the street and then taking them back to school, you know. That's the thing. Now, I say now, you know, I don't know if that is our case in this, in this vicinity, you know. I don't know if it is the case of us as a people, so that people could be taken advantage of. You are welcome back to Street Report on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifeanyi Chukwuekezie as a number the force, you know. Is our situation, like that. Child, the Nigerian child will be taken like this. Our situation makes it easier for our children to be taken advantage of. I don't know, but happenings or around this ekweremadu issue will continue to unfold for us to understand exactly what happened. But that's what I have come to ask you today. Shehu Sani, is, as you should know him, he's a senator, former Kaduna lawmaker. Shehu Sani says that Nigeria's reputation is at stake. The former Kaduna lawmaker says that the reputation of Nigeria is at stake following the case involving ex-deputy Senate President Ekweremadu and his wife Beatrice. It was reported that Ekweremadu, the wife, were arraigned before a UK court on Thursday over alleged organ trafficking. The court denied them bail and adjourned the matter to July 7. Sani took to Twitter page appealing to courts of public opinion to be patient with their judgment and keep watch of the UK legal proceedings. We don't know what happened yet. We don't know exactly how it is. But based on the information you have now on these happenings, what do you think about this? Do you think that this is just a situation of someone who is well-to-do taking advantage of the less privileged? What do you think of this basically? And do you think he really did it? Like, do you think there is that this thing has to do with politics? Does it have political undertone somehow? Do you think it is a setup or something? What do you have to say? And even if you know that like the whole information is true, is there any ground to justify this kind of thing? The numbers to call to become part of this conversation are 08096661035 or 08094441035. That's exactly what we are talking about today. I need to hear from you so we know exactly what is going on. So yeah, ekweremadu, the former deputy senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, being arraigned in UK court on Thursday over alleged organ trafficking. Onye nweloda idi ugwu a ewe na-akọide akụkọ amakia ka ihe ilo ọ dịghị ka ihe a omelo, because now really do you think na enwelo political undertone iche na enwelo ihe politics dey involved, maybe na achọ ka edent afia or so in the process of doing this whole thing, ka iche na omelia really if he did enwe justification to this kind of thing, numbers to call once again to become part of this conversation: 08096661035 or 08094441035.